Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. How are you guys this morning? Sorry, I shouldn't have touched my hair, and now it's doing something weird. Ah. Anyway, sorry. You're just going to have to look at this mess today. Whatever. Anyway, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas around here. I haven't had time to do all the decorating I've wanted to do, but I got a couple little trees up. Um, but I wanted to come on today and announce that what Shannon and I are doing for our Film to Fiber. This is our last Film to Fiber for this year. And let me get my notes out here because I don't want to leave anything out. Yeah, okay. Want to make sure. Um, we are going to be working on projects that are based upon the movie. Are you ready? White Christmas. Bing Crosby. This was Shannon's pick, and I think it's the best idea. I love it. I cannot wait to start on this. I'm so excited. So, White Christmas is our movie. If you have never seen it or it's been a while, you might want to go back and watch the movie. It's a musical, but it is beautifully done. It is a wonderful story, and just the music and everything, the costumes, the music, all of it is just brilliant and beautiful. Um so we will be having our reveal. We're going to start this today. Shannon and I are working on our projects. And normally we do the reveal in the same month, but because of the holidays and scheduling conflicts with everything going on in our worlds, we will not be going live until December the 12th. And there will be a post up. Here's the thumbnail. We will have a post up reminding you guys of that later on. But December 12th will be our reveal. Now, what we would love for you guys to do is anytime in our videos, especially today's video, anytime we are talking about Film to Fiber or anything about it, we would love for you to put some guesses below in the comments and let us know what you think we might be making that is inspired by White Christmas. Now, let me look at something. I should have already had this pulled up. Let's see. Excuse me. This was 1954 was the film. Um, here is the well, what do you even call it? The poster. Hello. The poster for the film. Bing Crosby, Danny Kaye, Rosemary Clooney, Vera Ellen. You guys, I'm telling you, if you have not seen this movie, go see it. I want to say, um, let me see if I can find it. I think you can watch it on if you have Prime Video from Amazon. If you have Prime Video, you can watch it there. Um, I can't type today. Um, Apple TV. You can watch it on YouTube, but you have to pay for it. Um, let's see. Hmm. It looks like Netflix has it. Oh, nope, says it's not available. Not available on Netflix. Um, let me check my Prime thing. Um, Prime Video. Oh, it's not letting me. I can't get into it right now. Anyway, I will check all of those streaming and let you know, but I'm pretty sure you can watch it on Prime Video. Maybe even Pluto TV, but I haven't checked that yet. Shannon has a video out today too, so check her video. She may have mentioned a few places where you can watch the movie White Christmas from 1954. And so that is going to be our film that we're using for Film to Fiber. So in the comments below, guys, I want you to tell me, I want you to guess and tell me what you think that I'm going to be making for Film to Fiber. Okay. We have so much going on today. Oh my goodness. Also, remember today um, that we are doing our Christmas tree ornament tutorial live today at 10. I will be doing my vertical live. And so today at 10 o'clock, make sure you tune in for the live. That's 10 a.m. Central right here on Critters Crochet. Make sure you tune in for the live. And I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to make these super cute Christmas tree ornaments from a granny square. You will need a 5mm hook. You can use a 4.5 if you like that better. 4.5 or 5mm hook, either one. And a worsted weight yarn. I use this green. You can use any color you want. Um, I think today I have some of this old sugar and cream. It's called Evergreen Tinsel, and it's green with gold thread running through it. That's what I'm going to use today to show you how to make these trees. Um, and we're going to do that today starting at 10 a.m. So come back here at 10 a.m. and join in and get your hook and your yarn. Um, you can use any worsted weight yarn you want. This is just the one that I've decided to use. Okay. So I will see you back here at 10 a.m. Central, 11 Eastern, and we'll make a Christmas tree ornament. This one goes together. I made 10 of these, and just making the granny squares is super fast. And it goes together so quick. You'll see. So I'm excited to show you how to make these trees. I will see you at 10 o'clock. I hope you guys have an awesome Monday. And yeah, we'll be back here at 10. So I'll see you in a little bit, about a couple hours. Bye, guys.